What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, I do not feel like working out at all. Honestly, I would rather skip my workout today, but I am here because I made a promise to myself and to you guys. But I just want you to know, if you have those days where you're just like, oh, I don't want to work out, you're not alone. I feel the same way sometimes, and today's one of those days, and I had to express it to you because it's totally normal. And these days are important because once you take the actions and you do what you're supposed to do, you're gonna feel better. So in hopes that I feel great after this workout, which I usually do, you get in a weird funk and then you do what you were supposed to do and then you're like, oh, yes, I'm glad I did that. So I just want you guys to know that everybody feels that way. I'm feeling that way today, but I'm still gonna do this workout because I need to get out of this weird mood. And we all have so many million things to do. You know, I have a lot that I could be doing instead of this workout, but I'm gonna do this workout for myself so I feel better and because keeping my promises to myself, you know, and I just want you to know it's normal if you feel like you don't wanna work out today. I'm feeling it, you might be feeling it, and we're gonna push through it regardless. So with that being said, now that I've given you my confessions, I want to let you know the workout for today. We're doing HIIT. And we are doing jump rope HIIT. So 4 exercises, jump roping is one of them. Grab your jump rope. Then 3 bodyweight exercises. We're gonna keep high intensity, so cardio training, burning calories. We're gonna do these exercises in intervals. So we're gonna do 1 set, 4 exercises, no break. Take a break, 1 set, 4 exercises, no break. Okay, guys, you know the drill. Before we get started, don't forget, grab your gear. Also, don't forget, February's workout calendar is available. Click the link down below. Let's get started. Okay, I'm excited about this workout. So here we go. Starting off with the jump rope. We are gonna do 45 seconds here. Grab your watch, turn it on, track your calories, track your burning. All right, we've got 45 seconds on the jump rope, starting now. Great job. We're gonna do jumping jacks here, 45 seconds. From there, we're going straight into jump hits like this. We're doing side foot tap, 45 seconds here. Great job, guys. Jump squats, here and down. Just like that. Getting started, 45. We're almost to the break. Push yourself. Great job, guys. 1 minute rest here. It's so crazy how exercise can change the way you feel just by giving you those endorphins, releasing the happy chemicals. I wasn't sad, I was just not feeling like I wanted to sweat. I love this pink outfit. I never really wear it, but I think it's so cute. Whew. All right, guys, you know the drill now. All 4 exercises back to back. I'm not gonna talk, so we're just gonna go through the motions. Let's get started here.
Monday is in it. I don't wanna think about it. So if you know the song, sing it. 'Cause I need it now. Take me to a place where the music's loud. I don't wanna think right now. Flashing lights running through the crowd. I don't ever wanna stop. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to f***ing drop it with you now. With you now. Tear the roof off every building. I know I'll be spending millions with you. Just tell me what you wanna do. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to spend it all. I don't wanna waste a minute. Don't have many plans, wing it. If you got a glass, fill it. 'Cause I need it now. Monday is in it. I don't wanna think about it. So if you know the song, sing it. 'Cause I need it now. Take me to a place where the music's loud. I don't wanna think right now. Flashing lights running through the crowd. I don't ever wanna stop. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to f***ing drop it with you now. With you now. Tear the roof off every building. I know I'll be spending millions with you.
Good job, guys. That was awesome. No, don't forget that it's normal to feel unmotivated sometimes, but you have to push through it to get to your goals. And once you do it, You feel better, I feel better. I could go for a run now. Because once you get your body moving, your endorphins help you out and your mood changes. So don't give up. Even on the bad days, push through it. If you have to take a day off, take a day off, but get right back to it the next day. Get a cool down. I'm gonna leave a cool down stretch on the screen. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, sign up for the February calendar, and I'll see you guys in the cool down. Bye.